Hi everyone, I have 2 December dailies in my shop and they are my almost blank journals. I'm going to go through the really blank one first. Ties up with an organza bit of red ribbon. And as you can see, this one is quite a vintage look. A recycled card cover covered in fabric and this vintage card on the front. And a little bow. Inside we have a few pockets and embellishments. Not many. I've left it quite blank. Lots of writing pages. There's graph paper which you can just collage all over. A little tag in here. And then this page, this one is all blank. Has a tag in a bag at the back. This one is all watercolour paper, so you can do some painting, use your inks, whatever you want to use in that one. Okay, and in the back, little pocket with a tag. So that is your basic junk journal. And I've also put together a little embellishment pack to go with it. So I'm just going to very quickly show you what's in it. You also get the little organza bag to keep your journal in when you've finished it. But in the pack you get a few bits of fabric. So you can make a ribbon for down the side. If you crinkle that up, and that'll make a nice edge. Got these little pieces that you can just cut up and collage with. Where's the other fabric? This beautiful voile with the Christmas snowflakes. I think there's 2 of those. Might be one of those. Okay, so that is your bits of fabric to use in your journal. We have all sorts. I'm just going to go through them. You've got cards, tags. You can make a little notebook out of this one. Put extra pages in it. Tags. Oh, you've got your own, 1, 2, 3, 4 stamps that you can use to decorate your pages. Oh, there's a bit of felt. I've got lots of stamps in here, all different, all very Christmassy. So those are brilliant for adding to your pages and your pockets. Little one. Some scrapbook papers. You could cut these out and add them on. Oh, more tags. This little embellishment. Some paper. No, this is cardstock to make some more pockets. And a big piece for, maybe you could cut this down and use it as a writing board. So it's got quite a few bits of ephemera. And I think that will give you a good head start when you start your journal. So that's this one. And they are both going to be in my Etsy shop. So if you want one, they're very reasonably priced. I've done all the hard work for you. You just have to start decorating. Okay, now this one is super cute. She is, let's move that one out of the way. It's a little fairy. Now, I did make this a while ago and I never got round to selling it, but it's just layered up. This is made from an actual children's book. It's got 5 signatures and it's very pretty. Not like my normal style. And I have decorated this one a little bit more. So you've got sort of all sorts in this. You've got colouring pages. I've done some stamping already. You've got tags, ready-made, not done for you. You can do these however you want. Got little tickets in here. You've got lots of words. Another tag. Oh, come out. Look how shiny and holographic, I think that is. And this is a little tuck spot here. So I've done quite a bit of extra stuff in this one that I didn't do in the other one, in case you want one that's already going to give you some ideas. So more colouring to do. Painted this super cute cards. This is felt, little felt pocket. Flip out here with a tuck spot if you want. This is all good quality scrapbook paper, and you've got some more little sayings and tags and things in there. Another little pretty card. This would be ideal if you're really into the girly stuff. So this one opens up, another one in there. Just embellish your pages. So I've given you some ideas to get you going. Look at that. Super cute. I love him. More stamping. Little tickets in pockets. Another bag. Oh no, it's a piece of vellum to use however you want. A little envelope. And this has got some scraps of card in and more little embellishments. So this one has quite a lot in it already. So you do get another embellishment pack with this, and it's sort of got the same sort of things in. They may be different sizes for the fabric because obviously I'm just using my stash. This is a nice bit of holographic card. You've got a red piece of felt, another one of those. I've tried to make them quite similar so that, you know, there's no fighting. These are really sweet. This is like voile, but, you know, you could make a lovely couple of pockets out of this, or you could make a flip up. So, completely up to you. There's another piece of that voile with the glittery stars on. This one's just got the one stamp. Three stamps. Merry Christmas, some bells, and a poinsettia, I guess. And again, you get all these little embellishments. You get your Christmas stamps. There's some more somewhere. There they are. I think there's 5 of those. And you get some tags. I know, 6 of those. These are ones that I've cut up out of scrapbook card. So you get all this as well. Ready to start. I mean, you could just use these as gift tags. Or you can use them as pockets. You can take that off and just decorate the top with some ribbon and use it as a pocket in your journal. Scrapbook papers, bit of card, little scraps. I love that one. So cute. Oh, I think that belongs in the other one. I'm going to put it in the other one. This is a nice big, I don't know what size it is, like A5 size, glittery sort of paper. Got some snowflake paper, and you've got your piece of very thick card for your writing board. So that is my 2 December dailies. So they will be in my Etsy shop. I'm going to put that one with that one. I don't know why I've got 2 in the same one, but there you go. And I've got to keep them separate. This is what happens. I'll get them out and I've took photos and things have got muddled up. But if you like these, pop over to my Etsy shop. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do appreciate it. And I hope you've liked them. Bye.